welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching. I wanted to come on here and do a what's it called, intro. Duh. I want to come in here and do an intro before I get into the video. So thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video. And please like, comment. I gotta stop looking off. I got a bad habit of looking off, even though I need to be talking to the camera. But yes, please. Lost my train of thought. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you. Missing a washer, so I had to like rig it up and put like some cardboard because I didn't want to break it in the meantime until I got a washer. So now I'm about to untighten this and put the washer back on so I can complete back in here. There we go. Now it's set. So yeah, I just got, they shorted me a washer. That was the only thing that I was missing. So I just went to Walmart and just got me some. I think it was like 98 cents. So the owner who made this bed, y'all owe me 98 cents because y'all was missing a washer. This is my bed right here. I don't have a screwdriver to nail these boards down, but I had slept on it and they were perfectly fine. They didn't move, so I don't feel like I need to like nail them down. I got this comforter. I got it from Walmart, and I wanted to do this because I felt like it'll go with my dresser right here. I'm gonna show y'all like some of the colors in it. I feel like it'll go with my dresser already because I was gonna spray paint it or the contact paper it, but I was like too time consuming, so I'm not gonna do it. So it comes with a comforter, 2 pillows, decorative pillows, and it came with sheets, so I can take this off. I forgot to come with sheets, but I got a queen size. And the purple that's in some of the flowers, I just got some purple curtains to put it in the middle to just bring, I want to bring out other colors in my comforter. So that's why I got the purple to match with the purple that's in the flowers. I'm going to show y'all. So yeah, I'm about to take these sheets back off. Well, no, I don't feel like doing it. I'm just going to keep these purple ones on because they got purple in there, so it'll be fine. So this is what my bed is looking like now. And I actually love this bedspread. I was like, I don't know, it's kind of giving me grandma vibes, but after I look at it on my bed, I love it. So, what was I saying? Oh, that pillow right there is from my old bedspread, but it has like this color in that, so I just threw it with my new one, and I love this comforter. I'm so glad I got it. And I'm gonna show y'all the dresser because I gotta fix it. So I'm gonna put that purple curtain in my room right now. This is like a little overlook of it. So I had one with this comforter. No, I had one with this comforter because of this dresser right here, because I felt like it had like this color and it matched my dresser, and I was like, I don't have to spray paint it again or contact paper it, so that's why I got this one. And I love my comforter. Don't mind that cardboard right there. And then the purple curtains, I got that purple because it was like this purple and this flower, so I wanted a little pop of purple. And then this nightstand right there, I do want to get some contact paper and put that on there, like some black contact paper. This is like my little hair area and stuff like that. What was I?
I love you.
I love you too. You drew me a heart.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
When you walk in, got this one. This is like my little hair desk, nail desk, sit at area, whatever. I need to get another chair, so I just threw a blanket on top. And this is like where I keep all my hair stuff, random stuff. And then these things right here, I got these from Burlington. They came in a set of 3. And I think they was like $12.99, something like that. I know they were no more than $20. I think the most they was like $15.99. But yeah, those are really nice. They coming off like a different color. And then this lamp from Walmart. Then I just got a mirror that I put right there. And then I just got my nightstand. I did put contact paper on this one. And these curtains, I just put purple in there. I already had the black ones. And then like my bed, it's like I think you want to call it a platform bed. I think that's what you call them. I got this at like a I want to say secondhand store. I got it from I got it from the store here. I think I paid like $160 something. And I think it's like I think this is what you call a platform bed. And then it has like the boards too. And then that side, keep your heels, head, and standards high. Coco Chanel, I got that one from Burlington. Then these little mirror diamond things, they're gold and silver. Like the mirror are gold, and the little diamond things are like diamond. And those are 3 of those. I think I got those. I just got those. They were no more than $10, I know. I think they were less than $10. And then this picture right here, I love it. I had to have it. And I got this one at Burlington as well. And it's kind of like a, I want to say 3D because you can actually feel these and stuff like that. But I definitely love that picture. I got it from Burlington. And then this is like my bed, the bedspread I got from Walmart. I got this like blue black one because my headboard is black. And then I feel like the blue turquoise kind of tied into my dress. A DIY dresser that I did. And I put that right there because I feel like those two tie in right there. Then I just got a black chair, white pillow, both of those from Walmart. And what else I'm missing? I think that's it. And then the pink lamp, I've been had that. I want to change it. I just don't know what yet. But I just kept it because I kind of like got like a pink in my bedspread as well. So everything was based off this bedspread. Like that is my room tour. I'm trying to bag back so I can give maybe like a good view.